Hello student, today we will perform the activity which is based on the acid and base indicator. So right now I am using the indicator, turmeric as an indicator, and we have the one acid lemon juice made from the lemon. I extracted the juice of lemon, and second one is the detergent powder. Okay, so what we will do, these are the materials we need, and one sheet of paper and some amount of water. So what we will do, we will add some little bit water into the detergent powder and make the detergent solution. And in the turmeric I am adding some water and making a paste. So this is make the paste of these two things, detergent and solution of detergent and the turmeric solution. And we already have the lemon juice in a liquid form. Now what I will do, I will paste some amount of turmeric into this sheet. I will paint this sheet with the turmeric powder, turmeric solution. So I am putting this turmeric into this sheet and coloring this sheet with the solution of turmeric. We know the nature of the acid and base. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. And always the turmeric we are using as a natural indicator. This is the natural indicator. So it's very easy. This is very available component, means easily available in your kitchen. So that's because I am using this turmeric as a indicator. Now I painted this sheet. Now let dry it. Let dry this sheet. Let dry it sheet. I already took the sheet which already dried. And now what I will do, I will put some amount of the base on the sheet of this paper. What will happen? The color is coming. Now from acid, lemon juice, what the color will come on this sheet? See, that's no change. No change in the color. Fade yellow color is coming. Means this is acid showing the color, not showing any color on the sheet, and base is showing the color. So see the magic of the component. This is a detergent powder, and it's showing a very good color. See, this is the magic of the acid and base. Means base is showing this kind of the color. See. So this is all in this activity. So this activity proves turmeric is a good indicator, natural indicator for testing acid and base. Thank you.